This influencer is making over $10,000 a month. The thing is, it's not even real. So I think we've all seen these articles by now, which is these AI models here, and they're pulling some serious money. They're pulling over $11,000 a month, and this is all AI. This is all here. This is all AI. And if you go to their account, look, this is AI. It's all AI generated, and it's fairly easy. If you go to their reels, you can make this. So what is the secret? What is the secret to create a consistent AI model? Well, in this video, we're gonna explore this: how to make the expressions, how to make the set, how to make everything, and hopefully you can make as much money. And it's fairly easy. So we're gonna use, in this video, we're gonna use Leonardo AI. In my opinion, Leonardo AI is one of the best AI generator tool. I like it. It's fairly easy, it's fairly quick, and it's fairly cheap also, although you can use it for free. So to create a constant AI model, you need to go to leonardo.ai here, and then you launch the app, and then you sign up, and then you sign in. Signing up is free, and then you sign in, and they have, let's check their plans. They have the free plan, and you have 150 credits, which is, it's pretty generous in my opinion. I used it a lot, and it's resets daily. So you can just use the 150 and it resets daily, and you can keep creating more stuff and more stuff. For me, I have the Apprentice, and I don't use it that much, but I get access to the Motion AI, which we're gonna explore later. And so let's dive in. So to create the constant AI features and model, you go to image creation, and then here you put your prompt. In my opinion, from my experience, using a fairly simple and easy prompt is gonna yield you the best results. Some people try to make it like as long as possible with a lot of details. You don't have to. This model is designed for photorealistic constant model, so you don't have to. So let's try this. So female Instagram model with red hair, blue eyes, white skin, and athletic build. This is fairly simple. This is fairly easy, and in my opinion, it's gonna work the best. So on the left side here is all the settings you're gonna use to create these models. Here you have the number of images. 4 is very good. It's in the middle. So you generate 4, and then you see if it's gonna fit you or not, and then you're gonna regenerate. And we're gonna toggle the photo reel version 2 pipeline here, and we'll come back to this later. But they have an anime and a 3D model, an anime model, and it's pretty good. But for this example, we're gonna use the photo reel one, and we're gonna use their V2, and the model is gonna be Leonardo Kino XL, and we're gonna toggle their alchemy pipeline. What is the latest model? If you want to use it in thumbnails and stuff, you can have a transparent background, which is awesome. And if you want, you can toggle a public image, and it's gonna add your your generated images to their community, so people can discover them. And here you have your your dimensions. I'm gonna leave everything as is, and your guidance scales as is, everything as is, and use fixed seed. This is the secret to creating a constant model. We're gonna come back to that later. So let's generate. That's gonna take 20 credits, and let's generate. It's gonna take around like 20 seconds. I'm gonna fast forward this so you don't have to wait for 20 seconds. And voila, this is a photorealistic AI model. This is amazing. like the details, the shadows, especially these. This is amazing. So let's say, for example, you're not happy with this. You need more. You need your model to I don't know, to smile. So you just, and with a smile, I don't know, something. And let's say generate. We'll see. Voila. Now it's a smile. It's, by the way, if you notice, it's the same character. So if you wanna make sure you're always gonna use the same character, what you do is you come here to these three dots, you hit here, and then copy seed. Seed is it's a series of numbers, and you here and you come here and use fixed seed. You toggle this and you paste it. Now the AI model is gonna know you want to create a constant model or generate concept model from this expressions here, or you can use this. Let's use this, like this more. Copy seed and paste. Let's change this setting a bit. Let's, with a smile and in a candle. Now the AI is gonna use the seed here. We're gonna use this seed, which is the facial expressions, to create the same model but on a different set. And this is the key to creating a constant model. Voila, this is amazing. This is the candle, the lighting. This is amazing. This is great. So this is their AI like photorealistic model. So let's try and create a different set. Let's try something not cinematic. Let's try fashion. This is very nice. Let's try now a different model. So let's toggle off the photoreal, and then let's try their Leonardo Anime XL. Seems interesting. And let's hit generate. That's nice. That's really nice. The lighting, everything, details, and it's a constant character. This is very useful. This is very nice. So let's try and create a video. That's very nice. It's useful. We can use it in Instagram. You can get a lot of views. Let's toggle the photo reel, and let's try a different set. So let's athletic build, and let's try on a beach. Oh wow. If you noticed, it's the same character. Look at their the facial expression. Oh, that's not good. Let's try this. Yeah. Look at the facial expression. Oh, look at the shadows. And if you go here to the image we pulled the seed from, which is this one here, this set, it's the same face. So you can use the same face, it's a constant model, in different sets. So you can have an unlimited amount of pictures you can post on social media, and you can monetize it. This is amazing. This is great. And of course, it's an AI model, so you're gonna get like some creepy pictures here and there, but you could work with it. This is awesome. So that's it for this video today. And if you guys have any questions or any requests for a video, please comment below, and I'll be more than happy to make a video about it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to drop a like. It's gonna help me a lot. And if you like this type of content, how to create videos, YouTube automation, AI reviews, any of these like stuff, just hit a subscribe. Thank you.